Hi, my wonderful Langley Leopards fifth graders. I am so excited for us to do this project. So I'm going to make you this video and putting it on your Google Slides. So look at the pictures, look at the examples, watch the video, and you can either do this on your own or you can come to your Zoom art class and do it with me because this is a lesson we're working for this week and next week. So I want you to look at the Google Slide, the pictures, and you're going to see my favorite painting, Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. So we are going to make our own Vincent van Gogh Starry Night today, and we're going to make it a little bit like his, but I also want you to make artistic choices because that's your big art vocabulary this week is artistic choices, and you're going to make the Starry Night your own by choosing your colors and some other choices. So you're going to start at the bottom, and when you look at Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, you'll notice a big top of a mountain peak. And this part is probably the most challenging, and my students have a hard time because you guys want to make it perfect. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. Look how I have made my points on there and I've used my wavy lines. If it doesn't come out perfect the first time, try again. Don't get frustrated. Then I'm going to take another wavy line and I'm going to separate the bottom of my Starry Night. Now down here is where Van Gogh added parts of a village with buildings. You do not have to do that. I usually do not have my students do that. But if you have a lot of time and you want to practice, you may go ahead. So now I'm going to make another section because in each of these sections, that is where Vincent van Gogh changed his colors and made his artwork amazing with lines and color. So now I'm going to do one more, and that goes up a little bit. And then I'm going to start to add my swirls, my crescent moon, some of my little dots for the stars. Now, if you finish that and you think, wow, I'm done, I want to do a little bit more, then you can take the start of your Starry Night and you can begin to choose your colors to fill in for your Starry Night. So this is my example. Look how the whole picture is filled with lines. I want you to pay close attention to the movement of the lines. Look how all my movement here is going up. My movement this way is going across. So if you want to start doing your movement, you may, but be very careful because I do not want to see you taking your colors, either markers or crayons, and going like this. That is not purposeful. That is not a good artistic choice. You guys are fifth graders. You know that you are trying to make your movement and make this picture interesting with all the lines. I want you to add lots of different colors in your lines. If you want to wait for me to do it with you next week, you can, because we're going to be working on this for 2 weeks, just like we usually do in art class. So start drawing your Starry Night. You can start adding some colors, but don't finish it. This is going to be our final piece. All right? I love you. Fifth grade, you're amazing. I had the best week with you last week. All right, see you in art class.